We divide 915 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 1 and it is 41. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 5 and it is 15. So 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 0. So 915 divided by 5 is 183. So this much for today and thanks for watching.